Hi everyone! Welcome to AnyTalk English. I'm Lily. Today, we have a new story for you. Watch again and repeat out loud. You've got this! Today is my friend Sophie's birthday. I need to find the perfect gift, but I have no idea what to buy. My friend Tom is here to help. Let's go shopping together. Tom! Over here! Today is Sophie's birthday. I need a gift. Can you help me?
Sure, I'm here. Don't worry. We'll find something good.
Thank you. I don't know what to buy. I'm a little lost.
That's okay. Let's go to the gift shop first. It's not far.
What is Sophie like? She likes flowers and candles and bags.
That's a lot of things. Does she have a favorite color?
Pink. She loves pink. Oh, maybe a pink candle?
That sounds nice. Let's look at the shop first.
Oh, wow. Look at this shop. It's so pretty. I love it.
It looks good. They have candles, bags, and more. Let's go in.
Wait, I'm a little nervous. What if I pick the wrong thing?
Don't worry. We'll pick together. Come on.
There are so many things. Candles, bags, flowers. I don't know where to start.
Okay. Let's look slowly. No rush. What do you see first?
I see pink candles over there. Let's go look.
Good idea. Let's check them out.
Look, a pink candle. It smells so good. Sophie will love this.
It's nice. But look, there are two. A big one and a small one.
Which one is better? The big one or the small one?
What's the price? Let's check first.
The small one is $10. The big one is $20. That's expensive.
Is it too much? What's your budget?
I have $30. So, both are okay. But which one?
Get this one. It looks more special.
Tom, look at this bag. It's pink too. It's so cute.
It is cute, but you already have the candle.
I know, but maybe both? A candle and a bag?
Lily, how much is the bag?
Okay. Big candle or small candle and bag? This is so hard.
Take your time. What says Sophie use more? Candles or bags?
She uses both. That's the problem.
Okay. Let's think. When is her party?
Tonight at 7 o'clock.
Excuse me. Can you help me? I need a gift for my friend. Of course. What does your friend like? She likes pink things. And she likes candles and bags.
Oh, I have a great idea. Wait here, please.
Look at this. A candle and a small bag together. It's a gift set.
Oh, wow! A gift set! That's perfect!
How much is it?
It's $25. And it comes with free gift wrapping.
$25. That's in my budget. And it has both things. A candle and a bag.
It's perfect, Lily. Sophie will love it.
Yes. But wait. Is the candle smell nice? Can I check?
Good idea. Always check before you buy.
It smells so good, like roses and vanilla. I love it.
So, what's your decision?
I'll take it. This is the one. Sophie will love this.
Great choice. Let's pay and go.
Did it! I found the perfect gift. I'm so happy.
Good job, Lily. It was a great choice.
Thank you for your help, Tom. I was so lost before.
No problem. So, what now? We have 2 hours.